All right, I am creating this video to show you how to do screen recordings, or at least what I'm looking for with the screen recordings. I will include some links to some screen recording software. Um, Most of it's built into uh, Windows. There's Mac and Linux screen recording software in there too. So um, when I ask you for links, I want these links. I want your GitHub repository and I want your GitHub page. And so this is your GitHub repository. If you click on it and test it, it will go to this page. If you, it will go to a similar page like this. You can see the URL up there. So I don't want my links, but I want your links. So it will have you like right here. It will have your GitHub. It'll have your GitHub name. Now, this is really similar to what you are going to be submitting every week. Uh, Obviously, sometimes it has your page on the end there, but it looks like this. And so this is what I'm asking for. So the links, one of the links will show you the OBS Studio that you can download and put on your computer, and then you can screen record with that. And then I'll have links to a couple of other tutorials that you can watch on YouTube with this OBS software and some stuff that's just built into Windows. So hopefully this will help. And so what I would like you to do is, if it's a problem in GitHub, show me your GitHub. Um, you know, I want to see that you've got your screen live. I can't remember what this is. Live server. You've got that going. And then you can show me what's happening with your code in here. And then also, it would be good to say, hey, you know what? I looked on W3 Schools. I'm looking for this week. We're talking about you want to do some stuff, and I'm going to suggest you use Flexbox. And so here it shows the CSS, and you can make changes to these things on W3 Schools. I mean, it looks like this. You start out here and it shows you some examples of what you're trying to do. And then what's really cool that I really like about this is you can try these yourself. So you hit this and it comes over here and it shows you what the screen looks like. And they've got these images that they're using for this. And you can make some changes to that. But this, hopefully this will help you, but I want you to, this is what I'm going to be going through you with if we get together, is I want you to say, okay, this is the thing I tried on W3 Schools or on some other tutorial thing, and I couldn't get this to quite work. I mean, we could also use, you could also go to CodePen, .io here. And sometimes in the instructions, it shows you how to do this. And so if you want to do hamburger menu like this, you can just do a search and it will show you lots of different hamburger menus. So you can bring it up. It gives you some instructions on how this works. So here we've got the hamburger menu. We do a little test and then it shows those drop down and the hover over links. And he's got the he's got JavaScript on here. He's got CSS. And for instance, you could look for, if you go back to you could potentially do hamburger menus with just CSS. So hamburger menu, CSS only, and it will give you some different versions of the hamburger menu just using CSS. Anyway, so there's lots of resources out there for you, but the important thing I want you to know is to make a screen recording similar to what I've done. You don't need to do from the BYU Idaho or anything like that, but you can do the screen recording with this software. And I'll have some links to some other software that is free that you can use. But I want you to get used to being able to do this. So if you have a problem, I want you to show me what you've done. Just like I'm showing you, hey, I went to W3 Schools. This is what I'm trying in my, this is this is what I'm trying in here. And so all of that will help me help you more quickly if you've gone through this process. Oh, one thing I forgot to add is, so to get the video that you want me to see, probably the easiest way to share that with me is go to YouTube. And with your YouTube account, in here, you can go under create and upload video. And so right here, you can take your screen share video, however it's created, whether it's an MP4 or whether it's this MKV file, you can drag this here. So this uploads, so we start to upload whatever this is called. You have to go through here. No, this isn't made for kids. Next, it will ask you some stuff here, and then just click unlisted, and then copy that link, save that link, and then so as part of when you send this to me, you can create here your YouTube link. And so this YouTube will take me back to the YouTube video that we just, and it may not show here yet because it's not ready. We're processing this video. Check back later. It should be done pretty quickly. You saw that I just put that up there, but you can see, so I've got lots of videos that I've helped students out with like this. And so with those links, you can just send me the link, and that's probably the easiest way to share your video.